Hi everyone. Here we will discuss about inheritance in Python. So we have few details regarding inheritance. You can see the syntax of inheritance. Before that, we will going to see inheritance. What is this inheritance exactly? So all those things we will discuss. In single inheritance, what happens basically? So a class is derived from a one base class, that is parent class. It is single inheritance. Again, like that, father. So whatever the properties of the father will be given to son, like that. So this father is a parent class, son is a derived class. Okay, it's a child class. So we can able to understand this with this figure, and you can see the syntax here. So class, we have a parent class here. You can see this one, parent class is there. Again, uh, so this is a parent class, and we will see further. So here you will want to write methods or members of a parent class like variables attributes. Again, this is what exactly child class. So child class, what is required to inherit the properties of parent means it is required a parent class name is required. Okay, it has taken here. And members of that particular child class, nothing but methods and attributes, you can take it. So as like you can see this father, nothing but parent class and child class. So again, for this one, you can see the examples, this one. Okay, this is an explanation. We will going to discuss. So we will discuss about clearly in code, by using code, we will discuss about what do you mean by inheritance and single inheritance here. So as I told you, so when you are creating an inheritance, you need to have a class. That's why write a class here. Class is a keyword, and using class, every class will going to have a name, so that name I will going to give it as a. So and for that class you need a members of the class we have to create like attributes. So it consists of variables and methods. So here suppose example thing like that, class a having features like 1 2. Again, I will going to show you that one. So let's to execute that feature, we need a method. That's why I will going to create a method. So definition of a method, I will let's say feature one method. Okay, and here as usual, you know that you have to write the self key here, self variable here. So method will going to have a body here. When you put the colon, immediately it indicates you have to write the body. So I will going to print here. So what I will going to print here? So I will going to say feature one is belongs to class A. Otherwise, I will going to write like this: class A feature one. I will say class A feature one is working. That's fine. Okay. So this is better. So now what I will do is, as like this same method, I will go to write one more method here. So just I will go to take this and I will go to copy here. Let's do copy method here. Okay, I will go to paste here. So I will go to make this one as feature 2, and I will go to say this is a class A, feature 2 is working, I will say 2. So for example, you take it as a mobile class. So mobile having a features like messaging, calling, like that. Here class A having two features. Now what I will do, I will go to create one more class. So if you wanted, you can able to create an object here and you can able to execute that one also. I will show you. For example, A is equal to create a constructor here. That's it. So this is the constructor. Done. So using a class, we can able to create the object. How to do this one? A dot. So when you do this one, automatically whatever the features is there, you can able to execute those features. I will say feature. So here only you are able to see feature one, we can able to execute. So let's run this program. You can see here class A feature is working. It's working now. Again, as like that, I will go to mention one more a dot. Okay, a dot, sorry, a dot. So here future 2 I wanted to execute, I will want to execute here. Okay, then run now. So we can able to see class A feature is working and class B feature also, class A feature 2 is also working here. Now this is fine. Again what I will do, I will go to create one more class here. Let's take, let me copy this exactly so that I can able to modify very quickly. So I will go to paste here. Let's call this one as a class B, another class I created, nothing else. So this is class feature, let's take feature 3. Again, let's take this one as feature 4. Again, this class is belongs to B class, you have to mention this one. Again, this is what is that feature, actually third feature. Again, this is also class B belongs to, again, what is this feature? This is, I will going to call this one as a fourth feature. Okay, fourth feature. So what I'm saying, what I'm doing here, class B is there. In that I have created two methods here. Both feature 3 and feature 4 is working. So now we have created this one. What I will do, as it is, I will go to create a class B here. So I will say B is B. So object B, we got it. Now for this B, these two features, 3 and 4, it will go to execute. You can see this. I will go to mention B here. Again here also I will want to mention B. And I will say here feature 3 and feature 4 here. So let me execute this one. So you can see class B feature 3 is working as well as class B feature 4 is working. So what I want to do, just I wanted to uh, take the feature 1 and feature 2 of class A and I wanted to execute in B. So that is what we call it as inheriting. Inheritance, how this is how it works actually. Inheritance, I am trying to, so I will going to remove this actually. So what I will do, instead of feature 3 I will going to mention feature 1. Let me run this program now. See, it says that, so attribute error, B object has no attribute feature 1. Nothing but what are the features which are available in A, I am not able to inherit in B. So this is not an exactly inheritance. So to convert this one into inheritance, what I will do, I will go to put the parenthesis and I will go to take the class A. So class name that is called it as A, I will going to place it in between the parenthesis. Now what it indicates, the features which are belongs to this one completely. So all these features of A will be inherited to B. So now, so what I will do, I will want to copy all these things and I will paste it here. Again, I will paste it here. Again, I will paste it here. So now 1, 2, here I will want to mention 2. Again, here I will want to mention 3. Here I will want to mention 4. So I will want to run the program now. So now we can able to see class A feature 1 is working and class A feature 2 is working. Again, class B feature 3 is working. Class B feature 4 is also working, like that. Nothing but the properties of class A. So all the properties 1 and 2 we are able to access from B child class. So parent class properties are able to access from child class because of inheritance. So this is the one of the biggest advantage in inheritance. And what is the problem here? I will show you that one. This is fine, but for example, let me remove this. I will want to create a object using a constructor that is a here. Now what I will do? Now what I will do? See, I wanted to access feature 3 from class A. Okay, so that's why a dot. Okay, here what I will do, I will mention feature. See, but you can able to understand here when you see this one, only feature 1 and feature 2 available. Okay, what about feature 3 and feature 4? These are all not available. Let me mention here and I will go to run this program. See, only we can able to access. But what I will do, let's make a small change here. A dot, again I will say future. So here what we have, actually future 2 is there. I will want to mention this one. I will run the program. So here I can able to see a feature is working, feature 1 and 2 both are we can able to access. So from class nothing but parent class A, I wanted to access the parent child class feature 3 and 4. Now we will going to try that one. A dot feature. See, I will say I will mention here. So I will want to change this 2 to 3. Now run it. See, it says that A object has no attributes, feature 3. So it indicates very clearly from parent class to child class, we can able to do the inheritance, but not from child class to parent. Nothing but what this is completely, it's a superclass. From superclass to subclass, you can able to inherit, but you cannot inherit from subclass to superclass. So this one we have to understand here. So this is all about simple or single inheritance. Simple or single inheritance. Single. Okay, so very simple program. So a lot of things are there here. We can able to understand easily. So thank you.